Hey there, my name is Morgan Williams, and I want to tell you a bit about Character Animation Bootcamp. The first time most motion designers try to animate a character, they discover that it's way harder than it looks. When you're animating a character as opposed to, say, a logo, you run into some unique challenges. You're no longer just trying to make a few separate pieces of a thing move well. You're trying to make dozens of pieces of a character, all of which are connected, move beautifully, while still paying close attention to several animation principles, including proper staging, posing, balance, follow-through. There's a lot to confuse you. Making it even more difficult is the fact that most motion designers work primarily in what's called a straight-ahead fashion. However, with characters, we really want to use a technique called pose to pose, and it's a very different way of working than you're probably used to. This course is much more than just learning how to animate a walk cycle, though you'll definitely do that. You'll know how to create a great pose, how to give your characters a sense of weight, how to approach complex movements, how to string movements together to create a full scene, and a hell of a lot more. You'll learn and then be tested on every lesson. Your work will be critiqued by our team of TAs who will give you detailed, personalized feedback on everything you turn in. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in boot camp.